Number 5. This question is about subtraction of polynomials. So here's our first polynomial. The second one, we are subtracting this one from this one. So this question is about combining like terms. But before we start discussing what like terms are, let us start by simplifying our algebraic expression. So I want to get rid of these parentheses here. X squared y minus 3y squared plus 5x y squared. Okay, now see that we have an invisible one here, no, in front of the second polynomial. So I want to distribute that first. Negative 1 times negative x squared y. That's my first term here. So that makes plus, no? Negative 1 times negative x squared y. That makes a coefficient of 1, no? Negative 1 times negative 1, 1. So x squared y. Now, for this term, negative 1 times 3. That's the coefficient, no? Negative 3xy squared. For this term, the final term, we have negative 1 times negative 3 makes a plus for the coefficient of this term, y squared. And that's our final term, and nothing more. Okay, now we can combine our like terms. Now, see that for each term here, it's a product of x and y, no? For instance, for this one, for our first term, we have x squared times y. We see that, please, there is an invisible one for the exponent, no? So our term is x squared times y. What other term fits that pattern? X squared y, not this one. X squared y, not that one. X squared y, yeah. Here we have another x squared y, no? X squared y here, no. So only these terms, this one and this one, are like terms. So this is plus 1, that makes 2, no? So we have 2x squared y. X squared y plus x squared y. That makes 2x squared y. So I'm going to get rid of these. I use these terms. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. This one, the term is y squared, and we have no x term. Actually, we have x to power 0, no? That equals 1. That's a detail. So 3y squared. The term is y squared. Y squared. This one, no. This one, no. This one fits. So we have negative 3y squared plus 3y squared. Negative 3 plus 3. Those guys are just going to cancel each other, no? Negative 3y squared plus 3y squared. They're just going to cancel each other. So nothing to add here. And come here. The term is xy squared, no? Xy squared, 5 of that, 5xy squared. What about this one? Yeah, this is xy squared. So we can combine these also. 5 minus 3xy squared. 5 minus 3. That makes 2, no? Plus, positive 2. 5 minus 3, that's a 2. And that's the xy squared term, no? And we used all the terms, no? Nothing more remains. So this is the expression we found. Is there any more to simplify? Obviously no, because these are different terms, no? As expected. Now, looking at the choices, I see that this is choice C. And we are done.